Welcome to you guys, and today I wanna show you how to install Oracle 12c in Windows operating system. So first of all, visit the website called oracle.com. So oracle slash tech network slash database slash enterprise edition and downloads. So you can find the link in my description. So now we are going to install Oracle database 12c. So and this is the Oracle database 12c, and before going to that you need to accept the license agreement. Just click on this and you find the two editions of Oracle 12c. One is the enterprise version and standard edition SE2. So you can download what you prefer, and you can also download the previous versions of Oracle, so 11Gs. So I prefer Oracle database 12c enterprise version. So and then finally you find the Microsoft Windows 64-bit version. So you can download these two files, file 1 and file 2. These two are important. And again, see how you find the CHAL. You can download from here itself. Here you find Windows 64-bit database. Okay guys, I'm already downloaded these two files, and before going to download you can accept the license agreement. Okay, thank you for accepting the OTN license agreement. So you may now download the softwares. Okay, already I'm downloaded the software. Here you find. Okay, now I want to move to that folder, and these two are files in Oracle database. So first I need to extract these two files. Okay, it is done, and I want to give the name database has, rename as, okay, db1. So it is important, so because of we are going to identify which one is the first one and which one is the second one. Okay, now I'm extracting second one. So it is also done, and rename as db2. Okay, now I'm going to open the file 2 and stage in components. Here we found the 5 files. You can copy those and move to the Oracle 2c in this db1. Open the db1. So here you find the stage, and here you find the components. In this component I'm going to paste those copied files. Okay, Control V. Now it is copying. So it is done. Now we can open the database 1. In this database 1 you are going to find setup, and also you find different options install, so different folders. So now I'm going to install the setup. Okay, just double click on this. Okay, Oracle America Incorporation. Okay, first you find this universal installer of Oracle. So checking the monitor and configure to display at least 250 colors higher than 256. So please wait. Okay, you find. So you can also enter the email address. So because of when you get some updates and Oracle, so directly send to your mail. Okay, if you enter the mail, okay, otherwise you will find the option next. Just click on the next. Okay, you have to provide an email address. Do you wish to remain informed? So critical security issues in your configuration. Okay, just click on yes. So that is just verification. It will tell you you are not entered the email address.
Okay, verifying setup for installer. Here you find the three options. One for create and configure a database, install database software only, upgrade an existing software. So if you don't have any database software, you can choose this. If already having your existing database, you can upgrade. So now I don't have any database, that's why I choose create and configure a database. And now justly, so click on this first radio button and then click on the next option. Okay, now I'm using the desktop. So now I'm installing the Oracle 12c in my laptop, that's why I'm choose the desktop class.
And in this section you will find three options called use existing Windows user, or create a new Windows user, or use Windows built-in account. So you can prefer any one of these. So you don't have any account, so use built-in account. So I prefer create new Windows user. Okay, your password must reach the expectations. So means you need to use some capital letters and functional keys, some numbers and normal keywords. So after completing this, just click on the next. So in this next here you find the Oracle base. So and this is the root database, and where all the files are installation in this folder software location, and databases files will be saved in this location. So in Oracle data and database edition, here you find the enterprise edition. So it is the default one, you can choose this one. And here you find the character set, I choose the default option, otherwise Unicode option. So I prefer default option. And here you find the global database name. In this global database name, so manually, so automatically the system gives ORCL. So you can specify the any one of the name as you like, and you must need to so remember this one. And you give the administrative password. So administrative password, so you can create the simple one. So because of so it is useful when you are logging into your Oracle 12c. And you find the the plugin database name. So it is the automatically so the keyed by the system. So you can change the manually, so you can give the different name. And finally click on next. So admin password entered does not confirm the Oracle recommendation. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. So now it is installing. So verifying the target environment meets minimum installation and configuration requirements for the products. Have to select it. So this can take a time. Please wait. Okay, you find all the files. Oracle database tools release one installer. These are the global settings and database environment. So you can just click on the install. Now it is installing. So it will take the little more time. And allow the access. One more thing, here you find the password management. Just click on the password management. So in this in this password management, so you can remove the, so you can lock the account any one of the persons, all the persons. So I want to lock any one of the person, means public user. So and then I'm enter the new password for that only particular public user. Okay, just double click on this and activate this one and click on OK. And this is the your database express URL, so you need to save this one. So nothing will happen if you are not save. So but I'm saving this. So then click on OK. So now still is installing, 94% completed. So it is done. So your database configuration files has been installed. So the installation of Oracle database was successful. Okay, then close. Now we see all the files, the installed files. So when you click on the all apps, so I move to Oracle. So you find the Oracle database. So these are all the files. So I'm already copied this address. So here you find the privacy error, and when you click on the advanced, so the proceed to localhost. Okay, now you are running our server into the localhost. Just click on the localhost. So it is installed successfully. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching, and hope you like the video. And if you face any problems when installing this 12c, please comment below so I can give reply for each comment. Thank you guys, and hope you like it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.